to blood clot Rosalie June 26.
You see how you have to go to, you know, because I turn on my life to come play a match, you know, with you, and I know, you know. Let me tell you something, Roger. Don't come back over here.
I don't need to come back, girl. But just wait till my friend click live, me go with her. I'm the blood clot, the one queen. What blood clot?
That not nothing to do with me. I want it power queen, my love. Enough queen in the world, so that now I want 100 million queen over here. That not with me, girl.
Me don't even understand the story. Me just want to know the girl them a beat up them one another. I have to kick down Vanya and Vanya jump back and pump her up. I don't care. Them fight them one another if them want fight. Them say I enjoy me. I say with my pump. You know, feel a double out clock. Look, I can say with my pump.
To me have the match with the man, you know. I'm a come here, you know. I hit them, I come out here, I lie down in my bed, I'm good up husband, you know.
One road across the board. All road lead to Rose June 26. All who feel like them could have canceled
this. Match, man. Come
this is the blood clot party of the summer.
Guys, gonna follow this page for me, please. Everybody follow this page because I have something to do tonight. A review to do. And I know when I go some bias after the review. Tonight. No one ever said I'm gonna have no piece of the two parties that are gonna come up, come talk. So, Miss Sarah Funo.
Kicker, sticker in the eye. Puncher, kicker. Sticker in the eye.
Two party them are gonna come talk. No one if allow one person to talk. And then on the side,
all road lead to Rose June 26, and this is the blood clot fund there.
Hey, no. No want to come tell y'all how to run them live. No, not come over here so come tell me what to do. Or who to add. I add anybody who want to add. Once somebody fear talk, it no goes
to you couldn't add one alone, you have to add
but exactly. So I see all my bias.
Just like how Apple attack Vanya for come talk.
Exactly.
One another.
And Apple
yeah.
No one know what no come out from my live, you know.
Yeah.
Off of my life.
Yeah. All road lead to Rosalie June 26. No good again. Jamaica mash up and no coming down no good clothes. And there's some high thing there.
Roger, listen to me.
Just fight.
Listen to me.
Them
you see, Blinger, oh, you're miserable, so. Jane, me not miserable, no, Jane. One girl type. I'm going to say bias, Jane. Oh, my bias when me add all the people, them. First, then call up Diamond, him say, Diamond say, me stuck right there, so now we know. I say, why you not say Diamond say? Because I know say, them, everybody want target Diamond.
But she right? Look friend enough, so girl explain to people when them a look friend. Come chat. Work together. Work together. Girl, I explain to people.
Say that nothing to do with me.
But she make sure I explain to people. She a look friend. Come chat. We're outside Mali and them care wall with June 26th and you now come see me smell good. And you now see me in a real life and she say them boy, they a dirty boy and me a clean boy. Yeah, and that my glad found and see me in a real life. And she say them a trickster. Them not nice. Me nice for that. Rosie, we out. June 26th, not good. Blood clot and we are bury all haters. Yeah. You try to bring blingers still. Lord. Yeah. How would that make a living?
You have no fear. You have no fear. You have no fear?
Of course, me buy a ticket for come.
So buy it.
Me I mash up the TikTok live.
So
and me I buy a ticket for come. Because me and you going to my cabana. Yeah.
Buy it.
Me and you going to my cabana outside, yeah?
Me dear.
You know a queen have to represent a queen.
Me dear, I'm going to queen the boat. So I don't know if we have millions of queens.
Represent a queen. But
I don't know if we have millions of queens.
Yeah.
You know what I say?
Hey, leave bling Angelica. Don't touch her. Leave her alone.
Angelica got chuck off in your mama and splash up your father. Me now add one and not add the next one. Go away. But me bias. Me make
Ivany, but me never know your borrow, girl.
But
me never know Ivany borrow money. Blood clot. Trat.
You just dip on body, so can your body not talk.
Blood clot, me never know Ivany borrow money. And me never know Apple buy friend either. Me never know Apple buy friend either. Cause Ivany say Apple buy friend. And Apple say...
Cuss go.
So you mean say I told them I tell lie?
People cuss. Remember?
Judgment!
Cuss.
One thing them are going to tired, they see me face. Can't get me out and I make it back. Rosie, have to use them
Chat, push up his score for me, please. Everybody wanna come something.
Yeah, we can't
come push up his score for me.
I will not promote the dance. You're crazy. We have to promote the dance.
Guys, everybody, make we complete the gift. We need a, oh, we get a wave. Them, thank you. We need a meter shower chat.
Everybody borrow the money, Julie.
Everybody can come review something. And as me review it, is a problem, right?
Julie, me say, Julie, as much as I review. Julie, let me tell you this. And get this straight in your head, yes, son. As much as I respect you, I will lose it in a minute and a second. And I will send you back home where you come from. Because listen to me and listen to me keenly. When you see them girl, they are done me and I bring me down. You don't say nothing. No come here so come pick up for nobody. When you hear me a talk, make me talk. Like how when you hear them a talk, you make them blood clot talk. Julie, listen to me, Julie. As much as my blood clot respect you, Julie, I will take something out of you. Julie, don't blood clot ramp with me. Don't ramp with me. Cause when you see them a blood clot bring me down, you not tell them not no. Lady, no fuck with me, woman. Don't make you feel like that you me have a respect. I will lose it in a second. Don't you dare. Because when them a bring me down, when I tell them not no. Oh, don't you dare. Thank you very much. Okay. Ivany, oh, it's Ivany here. Wait, let me hear what she said. Ivany, borrow money?
Kid, me no borrow the rich have to give me because me have clout and them want clout.
Oh, shit. Blood. No, me not hear me as how she going so quick. Me have to hear. What she said the bitch have to give her? Hey, bitch. She said you have to give her because they need clout. Is that true?
What you gonna do when you see Apple and Vanya friend tomorrow? Tell me, you think me have anything to say?
I don't see them a friend tomorrow. I'm gonna chat the two of them, say them careless.
Me not have blood clot though. I love Vanya.
If I say the two of them a friend tomorrow, I'm gonna chat them, say them careless. I want to come.
Vanya can't tame. Vanya and Apple, we dip on life tomorrow. I play a match. Me.
Vany's a dirty blood clot, John Cray.
That's why I don't look. I don't look when I
Vany's a dirty John Cray, as much as I don't like the girl again. She's a John Cray in the era. The girl confident. The girl said the bitch have to give me. The girl my friend.
Not that. Let me tell you. Apple talk multiple times to love Vanya. Multiple time, me dear. Me not look upon them, me love. And them kill them one another, me love.
The rich, what do you mean by the rich? What do you mean one rich? She said, what she said, the rich have to buy. What she said? Me not hear good. Tell her come back. Vany, come here, girl. Let me hear what you say, girl. Come here, girl. Chat on the catch that speed and make what boom up blingers.
Vany, Roger, me know Vany now like the back of my hand. Vany, we just done cussy and class, yo. And tomorrow she feed you. She come like me. And me say Apple love Vany. I don't hear nothing.
No, they love the daddy again. Vany say Apple man a fuck panar. And that Vany say. And Apple say Vany borrow her money. And the love no daddy again. And then Vany say Apple didn't lend her. She never borrow the money. The girl have to give her because the girl have to pay for her friendship. And then Apple said, bitch, you think I was an idiot? I get back my money. And Vany say, you get back the money, so what was the problem? And then the bitch say, okay, this is what happened. But blood, yeah, be things. Them want to mix up Diamond, them want to mix up everybody that come in. Yeah, appear things. But I am the breaking news. Live reportings from Rotterdam Station. I'm going to give you it in a quick second. Not too long. It will be short, but it will be spicy. Judgment. Yeah. Come try, Erica. Yeah. Hey.
Do not say Roger want friendship because Vany herself will send Roger request. Vany will send Roger request. Vany not other people, you know, for long, you know. Vany
no, she can't send me no request. That girl can't send me no request. That girl can't send me no request. This is not about. This is not about friendship. This is us enjoying the movie. This is not about friendship. This is us just enjoying the movie. Okay? This is not about friendship. Back to the story. As me I say, you know, say Vany a cruel girl. You know, Vany borrow the girl money and tell the girl say, bright tea, me not pay you back. Vanya say you didn't stay, you know, say a dirty Jamaica mentality you have, so we stay out here. Like borrow people things and judge,
Just push up his score. Me I look to complete my gift card. Come on, chat. The party done. The party done, chat. Push up the score. Let's go.
Julie out there, so me can't ask me never know say Vanya borrow money. Julie, when Vanya cuss out my blood clot and I bring me down, you not stop Vanya. So not come here, so come tell me nothing. And some know you not like me, no woman, don't make me cuss out your blood clot. Don't make me cuss you. Cause much as me respect you, me will cuss you. Because I
hypocrite. Me have restrictions and me tired of this. God knows. Everybody follow the page, chat. Follow this page. I'm gonna read
review. I enjoy the ride. And you see a popcorn, me a blood clot. Puncher, kicker, sticker in the eye. Puncher.
We need everybody to follow this page.
Sticker in the eye. Is that me a promote?
Thank you so much, guys, for the follow.
Yeah. I watch the show. Me no want a friend from none of them. Me not look friend from Apple, and me not look friend from Vani.
So you want Apple? Hold on, mix up, you know. So you want Apple and a friend?
Apple in your blood clot box. You hear Apple say Blingers have a good day. You hear she say Roger have a good day. Me not look no friend from nobody. Me a focus by you. Cause me and none of them no blood clot associate.
So hold on there. So if Apple come in my box.
No, Apple just don't talk to me, don't get me wrong. Apple a good man stay, me not read.
Exactly, because me want to start new war now. Because you know, in your feelings too, Apple don't call to you. See the woman upset her in her feelings. What wrong with you?
Apple don't talk to me. Because when me cuss right you and tell right you go suck out him mama, she get in her feelings and she don't chat to me.
No. Listen, you know that Apple is crying peace between right you and me? Yeah. Mommy, you know, there's a torment dirty man. There's a torment dirty man. You is a torment dirty man. You. Make I say something to you.
Me not torment Blingers what me do. Me just talk the truth. Me say from the cuss right you and say right you go suck out to no mama to blood clot. Me don't know if Apple take my shade or what, but from a cuss right you Apple don't talk to me.
Oh God Almighty, Jesus, I can't do.
We don't really talk about that because Apple a good woman. Me not bash her, me not beat her. She have the right to do whatever. She's an adult. I mean, she's an adult. You understand me? But when me have said about this situation,
come out here to play a match, and this is what you do. This is what you do. We come to play the match 6:30, and this is what you do. You better go back to your friend. God, this now work.
You know, sister, I turn up the scheme.
Go back to your friend.
Who am my friend?
Rosalie.
When girl call
one no, because this now work. Because we come 6:30.
Don't clap like I'm jealous.
I am not jealous, but now we are take something to a different level. You have to talk about Apple now, no call to you. Apple no call to you. The woman in her feelings because she and Vani at war. When people at war, they not meant to.
I tell you, say you don't know bigger than you. The lady not talk to me from a cuss right you, but me not free no way because she's a good woman. To me, understand? So me not feel no way.
Alright,
so
how you know? Me I go ask Apple. Apple, let me send a message. Alright, let me send a message to her. Apple. Roger say from him cuss. Me don't know say you cuss right you. When you cuss right.
Blood clot and tell him a dirty Batman go suck him, woman.
You know say my Batman when time you go up and in life go judge.
Yeah, but me just cuss out him blood clot and him fuck him too.
I don't think I'm ready for this.
Thing as they know me, me just talk and I go.
You're not ready for this. You must sit outside a Batman chat. That's why them Batman up your clot. You anything you get your take for ya. When them don't rings you out, them for rings you out.
Welcome to the club. Blingers I know to take it. I got a hard shell. I take it like a G.
Them for rings you out, Paya. You keep me look, I don't look. Them for rings you out.
Blingers better than him, cause all Michael Jackson. Better than him, cause Donald Trump. Blingers better than him, cause Andrew Holness.
Okay, right now, me junk. Me nice. That me I tell you.
Yeah, but come here between me and you. Me never know Vani borrow money. Vani, if sure no borrow. No, well, she said she not borrow. She take it from her bitch. I don't know. But I believe you, Vani. I feel a borrow. Show with the message. Because Vani always show a message. Hey, Vani, that, hey.
Nobody bring up back that. Listen, make Vani Apple workouts. Make Vani Apple workouts with them workouts.
Yeah, idiot, and that the people them there so
Man, me junk right now, and that
and
me
that the
tell
people
you.
them want here.
Come cook back over right side now.
Apple and no idiot. Apple
No, me
knows the
cook back over right
Apple knows the Vanny did a go trick her.
Come
That's
here,
why
me cook back
Apple
over
do that
right.
with you. So if she get
No, let me tell you something.
she can't get
No,
back her money.
Apple genuinely love Vani. She says
No, but
every
she knows the
time.
Vanny cunning. She know Vanny that got trick. That's why she do it through the bank so she can't get it back. She don't get no cash. Apple and no idiot. Apple sit down and say that girl is and they know that girl.
Vani, I can't tell you what to do, sister girl, but just done out for this Apple thing and this money.
Vanny,
You
come
have
here,
bigger fish to fry, girl.
Vanny,
One
come
good
here.
way I
Vanny,
do. Load it.
true. Vanny, I don't borrow
Load
the
it. Don't
money.
even call Apple name because nobody make this reach nowhere.
No,
Nobody
because
boost
she
you.
can't do it. She go to jail.
Vani don't make nobody boost you if you do anything. No follow the chat because you don't know
No,
how
man,
you
she
talk
don't
on
eat that. She
work.
nah go call it blinger.
Blinger. And the last thing me have to say, that woman threatened me in my message and send me much paragraph. I pray you say this. I pray you say that. Why me I go take rage bait like idiot and go call her name for please the internet and when me get locked up and go and left my pin. Me not the woman send me threat paragraph and tell me say at George, you live in the state of
Take the
Georgia
threat
and you go humble. But I one
should
thing
take
me
the
can
threat.
tell you. Any money where you give me, and I'm gonna put it on my card, them. So anything where you get back, go talk to your bank. My money still in my account. You're 20 head of me 30 head of your Vani I talk to. You never hear intense
The
tongue
girl a
with the
clap
Aka
back, you know.
Ivany. Move
She
your
just
dirty
threw me down
brain.
my friend.
Don't make
She not
nobody
answer
boost
me.
you.
She
Don't make
Gone, I'm
nobody
now
boost
come
you.
back.
And don't
No,
make
don't
nobody
come
boost
back.
you.
Don't come back.
Don't make nobody boost you for call
I
after
clap,
me.
she a clap back. You know, hear me I say, Apple 10 step ahead of girl and girl come say she 30. I chew me on the beach now, friend. The beach now address me. You know them look away. They saw that blood clot red bitch this day. But that's fine, man. But come here, blingers. So wait there. So when Vanya says she not have to pay back the money. Is that Van? But somebody have to pay it back. Van is what? Hey, my dad, yeah. Hey, Van, you cuss me and say me love beg doing. But you're back. You know, we can't take a dirty girl, yeah. The girl cuss me, yeah. The girl I'll tell life how me say me text her, dog, and beg her. And the girl cuss over blood clot and say me love beg, but the girl man.
Chat push up his score. Me say me the restrictions and
Oh, God, every year that girl you say.
drop.
Me hear that dirty girl, yeah. Oh, she cuss and tell her life how me, oh, me beg her, dog, and text her, dog, and beg her, dog, oh, the girl lie, dog. And the girl know she borrow money, you know. Hey, girl, you know you have to
Push up his score for me. Everybody follow the page. Me I go restart.
You
Me can't sit down for the
high first, body, you have to stop that. Me never know you beg.
Raja, me can't manage you.
You can't manage me.
I think my junk now. Like seriously, I've been drinking
What
all
junk?
evening. Seriously, I've been drinking.
Lord God. Mighty God, the only thing I now cause apples still, but me I enjoy this.
I need a few buckle. I don't business with them because let me tell you, I know Vani. Vani cannot hold grudge for long.
Vani's a look a dirty bitch, man. That girl lay across is
The cup don't show it. Okay. Let me tell you. These are two people that really love each other. Because remember Vani went to Apple Fish Fry last year?
Come here. We not ask a question all with the attack. Ask Vani how much money. The girl knows.
Nah, me not the power you depend
because me and the girl no friend, she not gonna answer me.
Me not the
the
power
girl
you
not talk to me. The bitch not gonna answer me, you know. Because ask the girl, Vani, dirty Jankra, how much money? Germs box, Brenda, how much money?
Call her over there in your box.
Come here, girl. Come tell me how much money you scam do.
Vani, all me I tell you, just don't go back no live and call up a name. Just dead it and done it. You have ice and just focus on your pitney.
No man, apple.
No girl dry out Vani. That's all
I Vani, no. Because
don't make none of them girl in your comment section dry out and tell about bling this, bling that. Me that just done it, edit and all these things. You have whole things through.
Yeah, Vani, nobody said no, come in and want them lock you up,
That's
you know.
done. Don't even call
bad to bad, Vani, if you come back to Jamaica,
done it.
people are going to want to beat you. Nobody come back, stay over there, girl. Stay over there. Nobody come back here. Because if you come back here,
all right.
too much problem.
Let me tell you what can get you locked up,
Stay over
sweetheart.
there. If you don't want back your crosses at Jamaica, use a band crosses, girl.
Number one, defamation of character is one. Number two, false accusation. May I tell you some things? Some things.
Come on, pitch come on, 4 more.
One step mute you, Raja. One step mute you.
One suck me. 4 more. 4 more. 2 more. One more.
Come up, chat. 3 more roses. People, no, sir. Them now catch your speed. 2,000 people. Raja, Miss Andy say you're annoying.
Andy eat me. Andy, my annoying like the man I saw him pinch by your clit.
What do you expect? 876.
Annoying, Andy, I saw your man pinch by your clit. Like a rat and nibble food. I saw your man annoying, kind of ram for nibble by your clit. Andy, don't make me rub you out.
Raja Vani say if you didn't take back the bike money. Come on.
Girl, me can't get it back. Me can't get it back, girl. I give me the gate where me can't get it back. Vani, you could have come over here, so come right in, a girl. Me nah rush you, me nah block you. Me can't get it back, bitch. You know, since I give me gate where I'm gonna forget it back. Stinking girl.
I can't do this. Let me explain something.
Me can't get it back because I give me the gate where I don't lend it, girl. It's like how the lady lend it, you have to pay back. I never lend it, no girl. I give me gate, I when I buy them name pan the tie, I never put mine pan it. You understand me? So me can't get it back, girl. But it's like how Apple lend you all the money now, but Apple trick you because Apple lend you through the bank.
Alright, so Raja Vani said, then no sudden way give me her money so me couldn't give it back.
Girl, me and you sailing on the same boat. Blood clot. Me and you sailing on the same boat. But here what you did figure back and never me.
My dear.
I never me did figure back, me did for take back. I take me for take back, but me can't take back, girl, because me bite in a them name. I fool. Me bite in a them name, girl, so me can't take back.
Bonnie says she won't call up her name anymore, and that is good. We come to the end of the conversation.
What you say?
She won't call. She's not going to let she leave her baby, which is right. So Bonnie understand the assignment. So now one thing we know, our chat can't tell her, say, got this, or got this, that, or got this, or got that. That's what we notice about her.
No, man, I'll chat them and take her. Remember, I know you have 2 little smart people over, I know the whole of the girl them over.
No, man, let me tell you something about her. Bonnie can't hear me now. Bonnie can't hear me.
Bonnie is a old junk pro. Bonnie a germ
think she can listen to you. And Bonnie gonna do what Bonnie want to do. I saw Bonnie steer. Me, you see me? Me other type then. My chat can rule me and tell me what to do or who to add or who to add.
Well, come here, Billingers.
Cassandra.
Trot. How name Cassandra? Don't be Cassandra. Stinking girl. Come here,
Bonnie,
let me tell you something. You know, Vanny could have tell me say she borrow the money. Because one time he did run away with the partner money.
Why she could come tell you say she borrow money?
Remember me did thief the partner money one time. I don't know now run away with it.
Good confession, good for the soul for confess tonight.
He didn't run away with the whole like partner money, so you never know that blood clot. Me run away with the whole heap of millions gonna live life one time. Vanny could have tell me know about fraud. Me not gonna beat her or Marshall. So Brenda could have tell me because me know about fraud. Me didn't run away with the partner money one time.
But remember, Ivany go down Emmanuel Road, so why should come to you about that?
But we are talking now, remember no friend we are look with us and speak honestly. She could have tell me. Because me did thief the partner money one time and run it up.
Who for partner money you did thief?
Blood clot, me did was big partner bank as me and my partner both for 10 years. And the last year when the shit hit the fan, me just pack up the money and just run. I don't look back to blood clot. I just pack up everything. When I see how much millions, I say no to blood clot. I can't give back this. Me run.
You really thief partner money for sure?
Watch ya. So when me I tell a life, a girl in the year, me say me thief the partner money I run one time. So Vanny could have tell me say she thief the 3 grand.
So what the people them there, what them said, the people them money where you thief, what them
when
there?
When they me back the statue of limitation gone, them can't me up. Blingers when them see me about the statue of limitation gone, them can't lock me up again.
I'm a ramp rough still, me not lie.
I'm in the blood clot there. The statute of limitation gone. Them can't lock me up. I don't get the money. Yeah, so me and Vani, yeah, me understand Vani thing, you know. The girl just borrow a piece of food and tell herself, say that girl rich, you know, me not give back that girl that, you know. But Vani could have give her back half still. Cause you know, cause Vani
no, I said she got back the money and Vani now if you go pay back the people them will send back after the money.
You know,
Vani, come here. Let me tell you something now. Let me tell you something.
Alright then, if Vani Apri says a rich woman will have money.
Hold on, Roger, I want to tell Vani
Vani could have paid back the money and go borrow 10 grand.
Alright, Roger, I want to tell Vani something now. Come in, I think Vani know that part, yeah. So like how Apple reported the money, sister girl. No, I'm telling you, I can't bet you when you're Vani. They're gonna send you the letter in the mail. So you're gonna have to pay back the people them who paid Apple. No prank goodie.
No, she said I wasn't fair account anything going there and all sibling.
No, but your name came up. You know, you didn't hear what Apple was saying. Your name came up when she reported the money. Your name came up where she sent the money to. It said Ivany, right? No, me not deaf, but I may go off of what Apple say. Me know you safe me deaf, but me I go off of what Apple say. My name wasn't on anything. Okay.
So Apple a liar. Vani, you tell me say that lady the way that talk so nice and outspoken is a liar. The lady say your name come up. Apple talk too nice to be a liar. What you think, Trot? One Rosalie, all road lead to Rosalie, June 26th. Blood clot. Boy, me not tell a lie, Brenda. You see, everybody. Boy, me not tell a lie. Everybody know Brenda alien. As Brenda,
somebody named Bright and Beautiful say. Somebody named Bright and Beautiful say. We not just incriminate on yourself. Well, me drunk, me very intoxicated, my love. So me don't know what me I do or say.
What me I incriminate myself with? What me I incriminate myself with?
I don't know. Me sit there. Blame it on the liquor. Me don't know what me I say or do, my love. Me very high, like Rossi's high right now.
You need to rob the partner money that gone already, girl. You hear me say statute of limitation gone. Them can't lock me up again. Them all see me to today and can't touch me.
My dear.
When me did run with the partner money, me run with the partner money from about 2011. From about 2010, 2011, me did run with the partner money.
Yeah, me see the message, sweet. But see,
the statute of limitation.
What over here doing? Actually,
all if them lock me up, I could get more than 5 years. Because you can't get more than 5 years for fraud.
Stop showing Blinger, you went to Rossi's eyes. Stop showing the cup, Miss Bling. It's showing warning. Okay.
I want thing do you know, Vani. Vani a criminal from Jamaica, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, them girls not borrow no money and pay back, man. And the blood clot there, them girls are criminal. But Vani just never know Vani borrow. I think them girls are top girl, the first pussy Vani sell on the internet at 70,000 she get. I don't feel like she did want that money there. I feel like she just borrow the money.
Raja, one person named Nurse Keldo say, Raja want to highlight your fuck.
Raja want to highlight, me want to highlight the pink one in your front. I want to use the highlight and lighten up in your front and get look pink like Blinger's black wall. Yeah, and that me want to highlight.
Like man,
I want to highlight the fact that the boy get AIDS and left you.
No, I'm from Manchester. I'm from Jamaica, Manchester.
The one I want to highlight from Dirty Vani. Everybody don't know Vani and John Crow.
I'm from Manchester.
Vani.
I will tell you when I'm the fast right now.
Yeah, Vani said the money when I buy the bike with if they get the money.
But let me tell you something. Vani cannot tame. Cannot tame. I know Vani like the back of my hands.
The girl come with that serious dub, you know. I look at thing, but no for liquor back, you know.
My dear.
But I want Rosalie badness still. And them girl don't like Rose, so we don't like them girl then. Them girl don't like Rosalie, so we don't like them. A Rosalie badness right across the blood
What
clot.
a night. What
Faith,
a night.
pick up yourself, Faith.
What a night. I'm actually going to lay down beside my nice, clean husband, Raja.
You did it?
Yes. My dear. My son go Rossi's eye. Miss, me not go Rossi's eye. I jump why me I say Rossi's eye, miss. No, Raja set me up in my one cuff. Me not think Raja like me. Okay, I'm coming
here when Ivany and the big foot girl over here chat.
Raja, what one?
But then I'm a general.
Let's bring a live hot tonight.
Bling a live hot. And the girl them afraid for touch my life, them have to go over blingers, you know.
Let's bring a live hot.
Mr. Raja crosses. Him not going to give them a chance to charge him. I'll put them down.
Just come for your life, just say your life hot tonight, blinger.
You know, you missed it, man. You know, hot again.
No, I miss it. Me, I watch it. No, me, I watch it, man. But on the fire, I watch it.
Meg, you know how me know say Ivany had trouble from when any girl where you see them calf so tough. The trouble them get. Ivany trouble in her calf.
Roger, I'm there Jamaica, what do you mean to say?
Oh, you don't see me, I don't know.
Just come back Wednesday.
Me, where you know Roger from?
Not do that.
You're an idiot.
Where you know what this boy are from?
Where the shit you come from,
I want hairdress I'm having up. I want hairdress I'm having there.
But I'm not hairdress I'm having.
And I want spanglers bad.
Blinger, my name from town.
One spanglers bad.
I told me living up Blinger.
I want spanglers. Oh, them man you can't name people when me and they will grow me. With the blood clot there, Blinger.
Blinger face. Drink your red wine, Blinger.
You better drink your wine, cause Ivany soon cuss out your blood clot.
That man don't do with me, my love. So what shall I cuss to and tell me?
I tell say your body stiff.
But then, let me ask you something. Then my body say a lot of people go do body. You blind?
Box body.
After my body, you see body.
Jaden say box body, you know, box body then.
Yeah, say. True.
Bring your body fit here.
Ivany can push me anytime because guess what? Ivany no say me not eat her and I don't mean that no bother. Why it's okay if everybody talk about a situation when me talk about it is a problem. It's so them biased. Them always no one to talk about it.
They're on the outskirts and listen.
I rather over here throw shade. I'm not throwing a shade.
Jer, big up Jer.
Where's the mix?
I'll take you and add him with blood clot apple for come sandwich Ivany. Me never do that. Tiki say I never this year yet, you know. Tiki want cuss me too. That is one spanglers, man. Everybody big up. Chat on the camp, they're gonna something.
We come out. Me
love Ivany. Blood clot, love Ivany way. Ivany is my mama, all for love Ivany. That gone through the door. Steph, leave my place and don't say that to me. And don't get me upset. I'm done with that girl a long time. I'm done with she. I dash with the love. Long time I dash it away. And it can't find back. Me no business. If she never diss my mother, probably we could have talked back. But I can't chat back to that girl. I love that girl with this my mother. With her stiff calf. The blood clot, you're crazy. I love her more than my mama. I love she again. Me dash where I love them. Me never bother love she. Everybody enough love. Me never bother love she.
Chat on the door, listen to that boy.
Jer, thank you, Jer. Don't say that,
listen to that boy a chat.
I make that girl go hear you say me love her and go think her true. Don't blood clot say that.
Everybody power tap his screen and don't listen to that boy and the blue hat and the blue stripe shit over the sun.
Everybody enough love work together. Steph, don't say that. People gonna believe me love her for true. Me don't love her.
Yes, Steph, say it because by next week I don't want them pan live again.
Talk back to she. Talk back to she.
Steph, no look. Me say by next week I want them pan live again.
Look, Ivany Batty Steve.
And then Chat. Roger, God knows, say no, me not think me okay. Me have to turn off the live and now. Me think me drunk for real now. Roger.
No, he's not friend Jai. The friendship gone through the door. You can't send my mother in the chat out here. The girl disrespect my mother. We can't go back to them. So I don't like her.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 restriction. Watch out, 50K views. Here the people business.
Try to work together. I'm gonna stop say that in my chat. I'm gonna stop say that. And I don't say that I'm not talk to him. Because I don't need to be convinced.
Roger, this not work out for me.
1 hour. Lady, if you're not beg, me not beg good either. When I beg on something, now me I beg somebody one fly jet in the gift gallery. Somebody beg you one fly jet now?
Alright, chat. Listen, push
up. But now laugh, Miss don't want those more friend back from her. I'm done with that girl there.
Chat, make that go through 1 year and come through the next chat.
Everybody work together chat. If your girl can cuss me and cuss my mama and them chat to that girl. I don't like that girl. That girl can have stiff and her body tough. Work together, come chat. And she can't dance and she ugly. Come chat, work together. A liar tell. Rose never ever diss my mother yet. Liar tell. Rose make it clear. And that's why me have to give her respect. No care how she cuss me. Me and her cuss and she cuss me. She never diss my mother yet. She make that clear. Say me like Primi. I mean not diss Primi. Don't you dare say that. Block that girl left with that liar there. Block that liar girl. Rose never diss my mother yet. That's why I have to take off my hat to her for that. Because no care how me a cuss. And her question now this my mother. Make Ivany move her redhead blood clot. Go away, Ivany for go away. Ivany no know who for blood. All you dirty Jabbas. Jabbas I want to cuss out him and I add him.
You gonna leave him, you know. You gonna leave him. You gonna leave him.
Because I'm my friend too, you know.
No, me look at you like him.
Jabbas are my friend too, what you mean? Not coming at me and Jabbas. Jabbas are the only person over here. That's what I tell them today. Jabbas is the only one on the screen where I know sure no say nah fake it with me. Jabbas are my dog. No man, Jabbas are trouble me a trouble you, man. You know
your friend too. In class, me funny media say
oh man, if Jabbas come and cuss me tomorrow, I not pay Jabbas no mind. Jabbas are my dog. None of them on TikTok, I never meet them yet. Me and Jabbas sit down and smoke and chat. Me know Jabbas are my G.
After you bring him down with D, when?
Yeah, me bring down in blood clot too.
After me you bring him down with D, but it appeal off after we know. So what you do, fuck
I want you to bring us. You not take me serious though, you know?
So what you do, fuck
No, hey. Me did have to bring him down. Remember, I know. Remember, I know say when me did pick up female blingers, the boy come bring me. Remember him first turn him out for me blingers, and me just lick back him blood clot and pick back aside for him.
No, me get feel like him. Him understand the assignment.
He like him because he want me check for Jabbas. Jabbas will go around and give mix up them, but you know he mix up them a joke.
One sister girl.
That's the difference with Jabbas. You see if Jabbas had to mix up, if Jabbas had to mix up, that alcohol. You see, if Jabbas had to mix up, you can't know a joke and not serious. That is the difference. Some people had to mix up and you can't know say this them are this. You're not joke no in that. And that is the difference with Jabbas and most of
them. I'm not good you to know. I ask him for a favor and him do it. So I want sister girl.
And one reason why I don't got St. Elizabeth because them not capture me down there. Come on, know if you
one sister girl pan it up. One sister girl pan it up. Me want skipping rope for dance to him song.
One reason why I don't got St. Elizabeth. I true me don't know if him so bad for coming on one them take my way down there. Oh, because Pierre shut up a fire. I got nothing to go down there. Come I go down there the first time I spend a piece of food with him, you know. Yeah, I go to me for and that time they don't want
Roger, look at this not gonna work, you know. This not gonna work. Me feel like Rusty.
Roger St. Elizabeth no bad eat and my mouth so bad. Even though I travel with guns, still me don't think Jabbas are idiot. I think Jabbas can protect me. Me not feel Jabba so for fool. Cause Jabba could make nothing do me a country and come back at all, you know. Jabba could come back at all if he make nothing do me a country. I'm gonna tell you something about Jabba, Blinas. Him have good spirit, him know for spend people who are hypocrite. You saw him smell Shea Far and Queenie say them are all jankro. Him know for smell them out, yeah. And that my check for him. My sister she tipsy Blinas man there. I like that. She have things to do. She have husband or yard, she can't tipsy.
Right now, this is what going on. Drink coffee back over here, don't you say?
Yeah, you have a right to be tipsy. You have man at home.
I know that. I run if I come. I really come to play the match, and at this match I play. I run the ball class me tonight, but me now look. How we wake up a man.
Welcome to the club, man.
When we wake up a man in a top far is catching speed.
Don't compare Jabbas to Jaden. Don't compare Jabbas to Jaden. Jabbas and Jaden are two different caliber people.
So for party, you go Jaden party?
You're crazy. Jaden not even like me. I must wonder what Jaden want them to beat me like TJ.
So for party, Sam?
Rosalie, June 26th. Rosalie, June 26th. All road lead to Rose. Jaden party make them go beat me again.
You go perform?
Them go make security beat me. You must have crazy. Come on, chat, eh? Of course, I take the mic and say, yeah, nice today, easy warm and sweet thing, Carla. Lady Rose, you know, thing called big man thing. You have the place locked, none of the pussy them test. You know, the baddest bitch in the building. The body of girl is here. Thing called. Yeah. Me not gonna wait for nobody beat me. Because if them lick me, shot I go fire. Yeah, so like how Brenda, yes, she said Vani not gonna wake up Vani for it, that's something not gonna way either. This man, all the girls, they're mad. I remember me not travel light and anybody lick me, shootings after happening. So yeah, sometimes prevention better than cure. Somebody can be one fly jet.
Roger, I'm gonna wrap this up, brother. After that match, we gonna wrap this up. Me don't want them screen record me. I'm tired. I'm feel Josie. I'm tired.
But I'm gonna roll in, don't get up and stand up on the foot. Alright, girl, when the match done, just wrap it up. Just go down, lay down by your back and make the boy do him thing. You don't have to pressure yourself tonight.
No, me not gonna do anything. Me just take off my clothes and go drop down somewhere. Yeah.
Loyalty, me say, wagwan, my baby, you can't broke my dogs. Loyalty, me, I beg your summer girl. Broke my dogs now?
I never know say them whiny out can junk people.
You know why I like with blingers? And that's the thing about me and blingers, where me and her I got always mesh, and me I got always respect her. Me and her can be friend and she and somebody not friend and she not tell me not talk to them. She not show no bad face and when she hear them name, she not do none of them stop thing there. I'm have to raise my hat to her for that. Me have to big her up for that. You have some people
you know Yarn Rose I come from far. Them don't know the Yarn Rose history. Them don't know.
That's why them a chat. Them don't know. That's why them a chat. And why me have to raise my hat to you. Because you're not gonna be somebody when no say me and Rosie are friend and you and her not cool and you go want like say when I call her name you want chew a look shade or you want you're not.
No, me not really business with Yarn Rose, me love, and I'm my style.
You not do them things. I have to respect you for that. I have to respect you for that. I have to raise my hat to you for that because you not show me no level. You not make me uncomfortable being around you. You not do them things there. And that are the things what me not like with the people. Them, and that the Bigfoot girl did that try to do to me. Like she want to tell me say enough a chat to Rose. Like me know that girl from Adams. And me and Rose cross road. And me and that girl never cross road
yeah,
yet.
Yarn Rose cross road. Yarn Rose I come from South Shingle all stuff. But remember say the app. Some people just know. So a lot of people don't know like the history about the situation and them something there. You saw Me can understand the tone of friend back, tone of cuss back.
And it's the same thing with Rose Blingers. Rose now go tell me say, me not like that girl there. Don't talk to that girl. Rose never ever ever dare do them things there. If Rose come right and says, she said, Roger, me a circle. And she circle. That's it. She not say me not like that girl there. She not say me don't chat to that girl there. She never ever do them things there with me yet.
But me and her come from far too. But she don't tell you. Me and her come from far. We're not TikTok, we're Instagram.
You understand me? I don't have no difference, I understand. Me now go tell you say, don't talk to this or don't talk to that. Don't do that. I don't like that. And
it's
that's
just
why
that the people that don't know the history. That's it. So
you have to
just
give your respect and you have to give Rosalie the same respect because enough people when me talk to Rosa and them not cool. And she not say, me not like that person there. Don't come to me when they're not around them person. She not doing that. And it's the same thing with you. I have to respect enough for that.
Because me not, listen, you see, to me know the history about you and Rose. So I really pay on the mind, you understand? I just have to do one have to do. Because guess what? Next week you want to cuss again, and next week you want to be friend again, and next week you want to cuss again. So in a really matter
for cuss one another. Some girl not for cuss because we don't know them. We don't blood clot know them. Some of them see up our internet, them don't know we. So if I better who know me cuss me. You're not supposed to not know me and cuss me. That don't make no sense. That's absurd. But Blingers girl, go and do your thing later. Me I say make you beg $150 more. And then I go look something to eat. Yeah.
Alright, come on, don't say fat.
You don't meet me.
Just no say me. No, sir, you're crazy. I never remember your dog. I seriously I try to tell you, because you what? I see all this what happened tonight, what you make happen to me, dog. I can't forgive this dog. Because I come out if I really play the match to get the money for wash dirty clothes them, dog. And this you make happen, dog.
Alright, girl. Go over there, go talk to them.
I'm going to log off now because I'm very intoxicated now. No prank. But when me is a girl intoxicated, me still know much finger this. 5. So I just
how much this?
4. You know, but I love still. That's one large percent. But I love her. I love still. You know,
I think she's not going to say 5. Oh, I love your queen. There.
Yeah, big up yourself, my father.
I'm Blingers, big up on yourself. I don't know nothing about change my life.
We're going to come back to the argument though. You say you cuss right Q. Come I never say you cuss right Q. You say you right Q.
I don't cuss him because I hate him. I cuss him because all the blood clot, if you have this stress category, you know, put me in there. And I when my cuts you want to put me in there after.
Right Q. Then that thing they do to me too, and he say the people them do it and not him.
But that's how I cuss out him. I'm not on the serious member cuss him out.
No, I'm saying the people them do it and not him. I'm saying not him.
Best stress category. And you know put me in a best stress, but you want to put me in a mix up mostly. But him want to put me in a most.
Roger, the people them have Queen of TikTok and Roger, the people them have Queen of TikTok and my name never in there. And one time the Blingers them say, the man say, no, him do it or Apple do it or something. And the person who was to ever do it or whatever. So I say, don't try to vote for me. Because as much as I say me a Queen of TikTok, whether me a Queen yes or no, me supposed to, don't my name supposed to be in the Queen of TikTok category.
Yeah, and much as them not like me, don't me supposed to be in the acne.
You're supposed to in
Talk the truth, bad to bad. So I was upset. And me I tell them I'm upset, I'm a cuss out in blood clot.
Yeah man, but a good youth in soon can't tell you.
No man, him coming on my live, see me every time I see me say, dirty junker no come under your boy. You know him not like shame and him not like love.
No.
Yeah, take the shame and the loneliness, so him just run and him not answer.
But him say him soon start by the show and him love way and all these things.
No,
but
I not go back.
I like you tell you soon go back over him.
But nah, go back on the show. You're crazy. You're crazy and him never put me in a best dress.
Well, guess what? Me didn't get my feelings, you know, because me said, then all them have Queen of TikTok and me say me a Queen of TikTok. Remember, you know, me say me a Queen of TikTok. My name supposed to be there, whether I want to put 1,000 name in there. My name supposed to be in there too. I don't know.
I'm a blood clot. I know for put me.
I said to them, I want to them, then I say, I show where I keep over here, so put my name in that, brother. So I'm saying him make it and thing. And you know, I have to explain it to me and I understand. And me there, you know me, my style, you know, once them say what them say, me not really hold grudge on them thing then.
My internet freeze. My internet freeze for me a while ago. My internet freeze, Queen, but just know me love you and big up yourself.
Alright, troublemaker. Because I'm not money tonight in a dog. I'm tell you something that
make no need that, Queen, and from morning me dey live.
Yeah, but me tell you something, I go play a match 6:30 dog, and then this your fuck you bring come dog. I'm trying to say me not the dirty clothes and
this. I'm going to schedule it for tomorrow, no girl. Because
and you come back with the same shit tomorrow again.
No, man, we give them 2 weeks up to them can't come support.
No, I'm afraid I'm not gonna lie to you, Roger. I had no love and everything, but I'm afraid you know, brother. I'm not lie, brother. Cause I really did lie down in my bed with my husband and I get up to come play the match with the dog and I just this a fuck career dog and all one them I will click live and class me tonight, which me not really too care. You know,
you don't do none of the blingers.
Them are some bias.
But you wasn't even talking no questions you asked. You do not know. I'm gonna meet them for cause me did a jump on a chair with a pom-pom.
Yeah,
I said, choke her, kick her, stick her in the eye. Lady not touch no more.
I'm gonna constantly touch more. So I'm gonna
bye, later. Yeah. I know why you touch no more.
Yeah, man, because I really don't look forward to the match and you just fuck up your whole thing.
Tomorrow, girl, what do it tomorrow?
Tomorrow when? Me have the bunch of the clothes them for wash dog. Me tell them I have to buy soap. I have to do them someday. I really need the money, brother. And you just fuck up the whole thing, brother.
Yeah, what, bro? Alright then, no problem. Later. Where you say, Queen?
Yeah, man. Large myself. Look more.
I love you, yeah?
You don't love me, brother. I pay like you tell, brother.
Me now put in no more. Me now put in this crossfire again. I am so sorry. I'm my bad. I should have bring this at your doorstep. Yeah?
Just want you know, me really didn't come to pay the match, brother.
People who can't give her the money for buy this something, there's something them because really and truly me fuck up our night.
2 pounds for wash.
Because I fuck up our night, bad to bad chat. And we keep phone, you know. We make all Appla and Ivany in the box of cuss and pay. We keep.
Yeah, you know, they're all click live on class with tonight and all that something.
Ivany in our class, yeah.
Well, me understand Ivany in class.
The dirty girl in our class, yeah, man. She more cuss me. The dirty girl in our class.
Alright, later, brother.
Alright, love you.
Alright, love you too.
Everybody big up on yourself, mighty God. Chat them restrictions, just stand up for me. Me if you tell her, me not tell her unblock you, sorry. You don't tell me none of that, you don't even support me over here. Not tell nobody nothing for no. Me not do it. Big up the nice people that must support me. Me a restart. Me have a warning. Well, me a go stay till 8 more minutes because I'm gonna get off the live now. And me a go get something to eat also. Me a come off now and go get food and something. You can't stay and make hunger kill me. We have a look of fun though. We have a look of fun. A lie? Bad to bad, though we have a look of fun. SEK baby with a peer mix up today. Trisel love you. Maja bless big up. Ansi love you, love alone. Tick Nation, Faith Jewelry. I see a boy Faith me then I beg you. I look a thing girl, but it don't look like you stay so I'm not pressure you. Yeah, Andrew Starboy, you know, have nothing over here. Sit down, Andrew, you sit down for your 25 badge. Andrew, you know, you could have even give me one Galaxy. Andrew, you know, say use a mix up. I remember June 26, all road lead to Rose. I'm never gonna line up that suit here. I don't forget my clothes to Rosalie party. Cause June 26th, then near now the next 4 weeks, you know. 4 or 5 weeks, you know. I have to get my clothes, come. I have to come out to the party there on the top of me eye. I can't ramp with that party there. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm going to wear for Rose party, but I have to get something real nice though. You know my thing. I have to get something real nice. I'm not going to tell you that I know what color, because I really wouldn't know what color I would be wearing. I remember I don't have a favorite color. I just wear colors. I just see something I like it and just... I have to boom down Rose party, man. I have to come with something different though. I have to come with something different for Rose party. I have to start thinking about it from now, you know, because why I have to start thinking about it from now, I know I have to go send go buy my clothes. And I have to go get somebody to bring it for me. And not only that, I have to find something nice to wear. Like something real nice. Yeah, but I don't want to be just ordinary. I gotta be popping, you know. I have to find something nice for Rose. I have to rip up a Rose party. It have to sell off, without a doubt. Nothing can stop that. Nothing can stop that from sell off. Munchie beg you one Galaxy na Munchie. Munchie me I beg you one Galaxy, girl. Cool, me now have no smoke, I come here, I go come off. Now have no smoke, my boss. Smoke no there, so over here so smokeless. That's smokeless ground.
Yo, I play, bro.
When they are cool,
You're not playing a game over here, bro.
I'm gonna go play one now. I want me to play and come off. Cause I don't really have no smoke, my boy. I can't take embarrassment. Come trot.
Chat, one game. Come on, let's go.
Blood clot, him have 7 nuggets.
Come on, chat. A 7-piece we have.
7
Come on.
nuggets him
Teamwork
have,
now.
chat. Everybody work together, chat. I'm gonna see if we can
Chat,
work together.
teamwork. It's on times 2. Come on. Chat, share the life. Free me, please, and thanks. Share the life, please. Come on, chat. Share the life, please, and thanks. Please.
Chat, use the first double, chat. Use the first double if we can. Use the first double if we can, chat.
Come on.
Chat, if we can use the first double, we use the first double, chat. Come on.
Come on, chat.
Even not smoke, chat. Nothing.
We just need some flaws. We just need some flaws to get the speed. Please, just some flaws.
Blood clot. Tanania, 1 million on the board.
Yo, man, add Zambo. I'm a brand of that. I don't care if your camera don't come on. I just want to talk about Tanash a little bit. different casts is the order of the day. And sometimes we have to appreciate that and understand. But people don't try to learn people. People don't try to understand. People don't understand systems, the systematic reality.
Wagwan.
Yo, 1.2k people on this live. Follow my bro. My family not really there on TikTok. The cameras don't come on. Me I beg you no. Follow my brother right now so he can turn on him camera. Because this dude ugly. He ugly.
Man, turn it on.
You can turn on your camera. You have 1,000 people know you, my youth.
1,000 people have to know if you turn on your camera.
Yeah, that's how it go.
I don't know.
Yo, they can turn on him camera now. I say it go now.
No, it's audio only.
See it? 1.2k people. Only just follow my brother. Follow my brother so he can turn on him camera, please.
Yeah, make it reach 1,000. Where them there?
Look for Zambo.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but man, right till then, you know, Tanasha, we never see Tanasha on TikTok, but man, I tell them, Tanasha remind me of Rosalie.
Never mind, Rosalie double.
Double gang, my Rosalie here and then come pussy, you know. Hairdresser. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, I'm just saying that, yeah, big up John Caramel, everybody, moderators encourage persons to follow Zambuk. I mean, want to see him turn on him camera. I want to say, we want to settle this tonight and make everybody know, say, me look better than my brother. Me are the nice one. You hear him quiet? Yeah, man. A true man. But yeah, and so, he needs less than 400 followers. If not really dep on TikTok, Verona way I laugh for. You don't agree with me? Yeah, everybody hit the ad and add Zamber now so he can turn on him camera. All if you don't like me, we just want to see my brother turn on him camera. But it turn on quick. You mute. A lie. Unmute. Them follow you?
No, me did not. It could have fallen already. It could have gone.
No, a trick. You see, I like see a look. And then come off of TikTok. I follow as you look. Wait.
What you say now? Who look like Rosalie? Me or you?
You. Yeah. No, me just tell them say sometimes when they don't know people, they wouldn't understand. Say after Tanasha, everything is entertainment.
Yeah, like not new under the sun. Rosalie
Not you all understand. So the way the way they're behaving and stuff like that is an interesting thing.
Well, so them not understand why you love Rosalie, so.
Top tell life on me. What you talking
Rosalie are my type of girls to me like Rosalie. So what's wrong with Rosalie? Rosalie is nice. Them energy they make you smile all day.
Biggie Small twin sister.
Yeah, why so much people love Biggie Small? She charismatic.
Boy, that's a conversation for have with Faith Evans. I said you been a name Charity.
Yeah.
But yeah, I was just telling them cause this week is an interesting one. Them a cuss me and a tell lie on me and then Radam Friday come and Court of Appeal just,
Well, it's the fourth quarter.
Years them. The worst thing about it when they say you're guilty of professional misconduct, and you hear people make certain statements. I mean, never thief nobody title, never thief nobody land, never thief nobody money.
That's why I tell them, context matters.
Context always matters, but it's a conversation to have about freedom of expression. It's a context of I want one.
Slim Shady. Everybody likes Slim Shady.
Eminem.
Yes, if somebody's shady and dodgy, I would like Dodge Caravan. So what's the problem?
Wordplay.
What's the problem? What's the
No,
problem?
the problem was there were things on that phone. A lot of nasty stuff was on that phone, and they never want to stop the phone.
Context matter.
Yeah.
Ghostbusters, slime.
The phone was nasty though.
Yeah, cause slime, Ghostbusters.
Yeah. Yeah. So I was sitting down, in my mind, I'm saying, listen, CBC, them can't comment unless they pay me. You gotta subscribe so they can't cost me. But anyway,
I'm cussing the Swedes still.
To get the cussing.
I like them first say, I sat on the batty boy, brother, they pan live. I'm gonna say, sit here.
So them people say I'm a brother.
No, they're gonna say, watch him call him man, one big wheel.
Send for a wheel right now.
Because we're here, 1, 2, pam pam.
The projection is really sweet, me.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna see if them are do the price smart thing again.
Yo, them can't get you for stop advocate for the people. And that's why you're here. We're on God time always.
God on time is the mantra that I tell people all the time. And the reality is you must never falter where that is concerned. We always go advocate for the people, and that's the thing that they don't know. Is that the people figure out, because the people we are from generations that experience slavery, so our trust and our hurt threshold is high.
Mm-hmm.
So they're not used to people who have genuine love for them.
Well, when God works, the devil have to work too, so we're here. That's why we have the shield and the sword. So them have to do them work too. Them have to do them work.
Them might do it, but some of them are try choppy line while them might do it.
Them can't chop, man.
I'm just saying, being in a position to tell people, say, yo, we are not the same. And then people always think, say, you must change who you are and disconnect from who you are and try to fit into molds and jump into spaces that really just ain't so.
Well, if we go against you, some of them bread and butter, because them don't even know you and them against you. Them a talk about you, so them getting paid to do that stuff. Who them advocating for? What human rights are they advocating for?
No, and that's the thing. So that's the more they do it, it's just gonna make me be me even more. Because if you're gonna discriminate against a black woman, if you're gonna tear down a black woman, if you're gonna tell police, say, yeah man, you have the right to use deadly force. And if they feel like they might try escape, shoot them, of course I'm gonna talk up for that. Because my mother is a black woman. My sisters are black, my family black. So you just take a youth and you just deal with them anyway.
That's why them are Brutus.
Mm-hmm.
You have to just go and eat up your spinach. A different olive, same way.
Well, I don't know, me reach Pop Brutus status and I look like Popeye again.
No, because you feed it on spinach.
Eh?
Because them are attacking so much, you have to just eat spinach. Don't stop.
Never stop. We gotta fight. Mortal Kombat style.
You have to fight.
So them are try to figure out if we're twin. Yeah, we're twin in barn first.
We're here fight, man. Tomorrow we're gonna swim a couple laps. Cause we have to get you on the workout, We have to keep it going. Cause them are distract you from yourself as well while you fight. So
I tell you, and them are adapt.
So tomorrow we're gonna pull it out. We're gonna double it up.
I'm not ready for that yet. Peter Ward coming out of the pool because I'm fat and him body mash up.
Me fat too, you don't see my face look
lies. You try going to pool tomorrow. See that? You hear them say bring whiskey.
Whiskey needs some tequila. Whiskey need tequila.
Oh no, Whiskey good little gone in bed right now. What all people do at night come? They go sleep early at 8:08. Hear that bass. But yeah. No, you know, I get up tomorrow if go and no pool,
Now
man.
get up, man. If you're up and I do the pool thing, me get up, man. And join you.
No, man, I get up and do the stairmaster and you go in on the pool and see which one will get more gift.
That not really fair still, but if that you want to do.
Wait, one of here.
Lap for lap.
Oh, I saw you want to drop it.
Yeah, lap for lap. But if you're not in a pool mood, because Portland good look cool, you know.
Yeah, right now. Yeah. It's not cold and it's hot, but it's tricky because it rains sometime.
Yeah. But yeah, you have to go and talk about the judgment, man. I make the people them understand.
No, them a Friday night, them want cast. Them don't really want to hear about it. But a while ago I was on CVM and I tell them about the judgment and say, you know, the court says that the GLC never had jurisdiction to formulate a breach of the sub judice rule, and therefore the conviction was quashed and the decision overturned, and they said the GLC should pay cost. And say, okay, and you still have another one with the other matter. You want to tell us about the other matter? I said, no, I don't want to breach the sub judice rule.
You know, 50 Cent have a song where him say, my buddy. I don't go nowhere without my buddy.
You know what? The last thing me want to do is get charged for quoting 50 Cent.
No, but that's what talk about that song. Yo, sometimes you have to give a woman them your best friend. I can say it.
I can't say it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. But like we say, yo, God on time.
Jam Caramel, where you cover your face for? What is that? What? Speak your mind.
She probably like the song. Her face shall cover, not her ears.
So it's two of them. Oh God. Yeah, man. But that it's a big deal. Big deal. But one of the things that kind of did make me kind of off today as well is the government saying, when I tell you, say them not like black people. I tell you, like serious. The government appealed George Williams' judgment. They want that man dead before him spend $1. And the court say, all right, you're appealing it. We're going to allow you to appeal it, but you have to pay him $35 million first, because the man him have to get for spend some of that money. So if you want to appeal it, pay him $35 million and then we're done. And the case law that I'm relying on, the court of appeal might give him more money. Watch and see. One John Clark. Big him up.
All right, the government a brute.
And who is the justice minister?
The justice minister brute. These things don't change, them only change character.
No, if I were the minister of justice, people wouldn't have to fight and struggle for their money.
I don't want to say the wrong thing.
You don't say it.
You know, but it's painful. It's painstaking to hear them.
No, but that's why I'm saying black people must love themselves. That's why I'm always rate Portland. Portland now elevate, not over the black man. So then the people have to understand that. It's a hell of a thing when you have to be fighting and protecting your rights. Fight for the land, you're there on land and nobody not trouble you, and then drive through and see a land and feel like you're not for having. So you're the Prime Minister today, I say, have some people that team up and do adverse possession, who are going to fine you out because you do adverse possession, then you're selling the land. And I'm like, Savannah said, which is right, one IB, Portland, know what's up, man. The point of adverse possession is that if land is sitting idly, you get to use the land. And if you take it. You know, so people can adverse possession land and take it and own it, and the owner don't know.
Yeah, but if you even sell it, why that is them concern? You still sell it for make your life better.
They don't want you to have an opportunity to make your life better because they are settled and happy. They are happy with persons coming to beg farm work card. They are happy with persons coming to beg $5,000 and promise them, say, sign up for a grant.
Yeah, but you see the times changing, them don't understand that people have information now. We're in the era of information.
It no matter to some people say, yeah, me a die-hearted this and die-hearted that and that.
Yeah, but them soon die out. It's gonna change. The new generation is gonna change. It's changing already. Change is in the process.
But that's why they want to run me off of TikTok. Because every time I turn on my live, I'm educating the people.
I mean, you have to live as well, though. Why you must come off of TikTok? TikTok is for everybody. The app is available on everybody's phone.
The phone where me buy.
Where you pay for.
Where me pay for.
Them act like you can tell them for take off for them favorite apps off of them phone. You know how much app them have?
Only fans.
All kind of app.
All kind of apps.
We're not for promote them. All kind of app. All kind of app.
Not you.
So as long as he in the guidelines.
You see, that girl said the amount of streamers that's talking about you, yeah?
Yeah, as long as
them try to report you, get your app restricted, get your account blocked. Enough madness them go out with, man.
Apps for days. Who that? Verona, yeah. You see it. Apps for days and nights. Late nights too.
Them dep on apps. No people dep on apps all day. Them no dep on my WhatsApp though.
Yeah, but if he was doing something good, them wouldn't be talking though, I said. That's always the story. Or the same people them. The same folks that we always talk about it. Just to continue them narrative. You have to make them do them thing.
Yeah, but usually when people comment, somebody send me comments, tell me them comment till them week on all of the app there. Don't cuss them, man. Don't give them no attention. That's just the reality. You know?
You just go on to the right thing, man. And go on to the work that God have cut out for you, because that's all you can do, you know.
That's the plan. Thank you for the roses, Sasha, everything. And thanks to the roses, you know, but my brother they on the app, you know, and I have to make it look good and send the lion them and the whale them, you see me? And the live and the big one them.
We need a filter so we can cute.
No. Yo, which one are we nice? Me or him?
Nobody do that, cause you done a win on the app. You don't want to lose again. Just go and win.
More on the something more.
So I'm gonna tell you the truth. Nobody don't even bother do that right now.
No, but yo, let me tell you something.
You can't have it all, brother. You already have the brain. You already have the brain.
Yo, Tanisha, on the block Verona, she'll fight against me.
No, fight against you. Truths and rights. Truths and rights.
You say you both are nice. Why you don't accept that it can be both?
Suki want double trouble. Make Suki go and do it.
No, you're not this my friend.
It's one or the other. It's one or the other.
No, let me tell you one thing me know still, you know. All you would come on the app and try to style me, you know.
Benjamin, I have no great ear, you know.
What's
And I say,
that? What's that? No, for man, you look like
Jack,
Dave. You look like Dave
lovely.
Campbell.
Who names us? Who's that? Who's that?
You want to hear me?
I don't know who that is. One IB for the app. That's what I'm talking. One IB for the app.
So they can't call you one. What they gonna call you? One ZB.
One ZB for the app.
And a one ZB though. Zara, Zane, Zanda.
Where's the whole heap of Z's? Oh gosh.
A bear Z.
I see why you always dep on this thing. It's a good wreck. It's a good wreck.
Sometimes. You know? One Z.
So where people them will play match? Them not match it tonight. All go on.
Who me play match? You want to play match with me?
No, I can't match with you. I not nobody for giving nothing on this. You know, say where you want to beat me up, you want to flash me.
You have to be live for play match, I think. So it's alright.
So I'm alive right now.
Cause you're my guest. Yeah, so you have to go live.
Okay.
Yeah,
One CB. See there, what you mean, Vero? See whiskey there. Think whiskey might love this. Invite
whiskey there.
A whiskey that or somebody put him name in it.
Somebody put him name, I don't know.
Oh, I see him right as I think whiskey might love this. Invite them to join. Whiskey must be there.
Whiskey, now you're alive, you know mine. Your brother. Join him, call it. Whiskey, you look like them black whiskey. Come in a long time we don't see you.
How you do this? I'm coming like an old father now.
Yeah, show up yourself, man.
I send it to him. Yeah. I send it to him.
You invite him?
Yeah. Myself him at it.
Oh, them say me have to join him. I not see whiskey no way. I'm going to call somebody for help me overuse this app, yeah.
Jeez, it sound bad now.
Wow, we don't know?
Yeah.
But I said go, you know, when age not up on the calendar, it rough, you know.
Age ain't nothing but a number.
That's what R. Kelly said.
Going out ain't nothing but a thing.
And he said, right, I'm Kelly said, where is he now? VH1, where are they now? I not see him, so I'm not up on my life. Them say call Samantha, I don't know it there. Tell him comment. Tell Whiskey for comment per mile. Oh!
You block him.
Whiskey don't pay the subscription for comment.
Oh,
that's why I'm go over your side. Tell him for come over. Tell him for join my live. Make me look for him.
I not see him. I'm not right. Oh, you comment. I don't know if I do that, you know.
Boy, see it. See why they want to tell me for come off of the app. Me and my family them don't know if you use the app.
Well, oh, they're like inviting all your family on this thing. Even Kezia. Why them do that? Them know your family. Yo, TikTok out.
No, man, that's something else you look on.
No, you'd come up on this feed. Kezia would like this. Whiskey would like this.
I don't know. Where I use iPhone 18, it come out.
I don't know what I go on out so.
It's Muslim.
Anyway, yeah. Back to the people.
For the people?
Yeah, for the people.
Oh, mercy, mercy me. Blood is running in the streets of the city.
But now I'll take the wreck tonight, you know.
Too much blood. I don't in the heart of the city.
Boy.
Good night. Soccer mom, you gone on your bed? Cookie, I see you, Cookie. Yeah, man, that's a go on them. Malcolm, hey yo, I think Malcolm X is dead, you know. Malcolm X joined the live. Jaja.
Well,
the only person that joined my live yet is Michael Jackson. I didn't have a movie out.
Somebody give a big gift there. Jojo. Who that? Come. Top of the screen and like up the like. Send the gifts. Send the gifts. I saw them do it, don't you? Huh?
They send me gifts to see my reaction. You see the problem? Oh, you're gonna get a hat if you have on a hat. You have to take off your hat, man.
I can't take off my hat. I don't mind. My hat can't come off. I'm not a hot fish. Sure, I'm not here, but I'm still cute.
You look like Beanie Man.
No, sir. Beanie Man never did. We're not the same.
Them say your gift gallery almost full. Wait, say Beanie Man what?
Let's say we can't look like Beanie Man. We're never that. You know how I look? What y'all talk about, Reggie? Don't diss me, no. Don't bring up my next. Don't bring up my next time, you know.
And attention.
I'm Beanie Man on my brethren.
I love me when I love.
You see it?
You got me saying, oh, na na na. Oh, na na.
Don't diss Beanie Man, you know.
Jaja.
I'm not getting the hat. Put on back my hat.
Man, I tell you, whiskey gone in bed. I'm not asking.
No, whiskey, what time now? 8:30.
8:25.
Damn. Yeah. Whiskey a senior citizen now.
Geritol complete are the vitamins him take.
Jesus.
Yeah, what? Brother, you popular, brother.
I don't even know what you mean. How am I popular?
1.1 people are look for me through you there on the live, yo.
No, sir. You can't come balloon me off right now. Make me feel like it go, sir. It don't go, sir. Your thing up. I just your thing that.
You're popular that man try to take. I guess what now?
I'm going in the light and I'm in the dark. Man, I'm seeing me the real way. You see it?
A filter you have on?
No filter. My beard. Filter. Like what I said, which filter? You don't see my beard. I'm clean.
Wait a minute. Gasoline.
Rubbing alcohol. I said the ramp, you know.
No man, I chew you don't go live, make a battle, me tell them cause me that clash you right now, you know.
So how you do it?
But you can me tell the people them for make sure you have 1,000 people so you can go live.
Brother, I can't go live. What you talk about?
Oh well, hang up, go live, and make me look for you. Alright. Disconnect it, go live, and then me look for you.
Alright.
Boy, you see how life, me have to teach my brother how to go live, and it's okay. If you make my brother beat me, I got block money, you know. Ashley, you need somebody to save your soul? Come back Sunday. Pray for you when we go church. The moderator one always a blocks Ashley. Every time with the block Ashley, me see her come back. Him sound exactly like me. I chew, you're gonna struggle for about 20 minutes to learn how to go live. Lord God, somebody call him and help him. Oh, see me? Oh, see that now? See that now?
No filter. Watch them. I'll do it natural.
It's alright. Just you hear what you do. You just add that right now. No man, you need a filter. You look old, brother.
No, never that. Oh, you do the hang up. Oh, you put filter on this. I don't know.
No, stay there, man. Stay there, man.
Alright.
Let's go my side.
Natural is the mystic. What's up? Who is out there?
Suki, you're making me jealous right now. You're not
Bend the roads.
You're not doing anything for my self-esteem right now.
Lord, the man that kill me. Come on.
First gifts, people.
Come on, send some gifts. This is my first time over here. Let's go. Don't make this guy beat me. Don't make him beat me. I'm not taking any punches. No blows.
One Jamaica. We're for Jamaica. We're not on a Yankee come beat me.
Me are not a Yankee. Me are Jamaican.
People are foreign them there. Let's go, people.
No matter. No watch that. Me a yard man.
That fake accent that him have on TikTok. I want Jamaica. We there Jamaica.
This not fake. This is as real as it gets.
Look.
No, I'm gonna tell some people to send me some gifts. Me not like losing it. That's why I'm gonna
You're gonna lose. You always lose, yo.
That's why I'm gonna come on them thing right now. Hey!
Yo, remember that? You remember when I played 1 hour with the broke my foot? You don't remember that?
Go on TikTok and send me a gift, right? Go send me a gift. Come, look on these faces. So they send some live, send some.
Yeah, hold on, Zara is where you going looking so pretty. What's that?
We're going to graduation dinner. She graduated today, our other graduation.
I can't be so
But hold on, for her associate's degree?
No, that was the one before. This is high school now. She just did high school graduation today. Come on.
It's too close, guys. Let's go. Send me another hand heart. Double up the gifts, guys.
Come on. Watch me get some gifts. Send some gifts. Look at this boy. I'm selling him. Who want to buy him? Come on. Send some gifts.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
Hi. Hi. Yeah, say hi. Get gifts for that.
Unfair.
Are you guys going against each other?
Yeah, and then beat
Yeah, let's go.
I said, Isaac, your uncle the gifts.
I got you.
Yeah, send me the gifts.
Damn, you're losing.
I'm losing, man. But I like losing.
I'm gonna buy you a Benz, yo. Send me the gifts.
Yeah, that's. If I buy a Benz,
I'm gonna buy you a Benz for your graduation gifts. Let's go. You look so pretty.
Come on. We get a gift. We're not getting no gift. Jesus.
Let's go. Double taps. Look,
what we need for beat you?
Yo, back up off of the camera. You not have no filter. You ugly. Look, what's that? If I left something there on the phone and try to beat me.
No, we're not trying to beat him.
But see them, you tell somebody for saying it.
Come beat him. Go.
It really don't want to lose to yo, my side, them are gonna snipe.
Come on, my side. Let's go. If the eat we can
it don't know. You need a team.
Jesus, man, 2 minutes.
You need a team. Yo, look at him. He's sour, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, man, cry.
All your life you've been losing to me, yo. Yeah, you know, you see it.
So wait, when me lose, you get all the gifts and when me get?
Everything. I'm taking it all.
Everything gone?
No.
Oh, but me not get no. Watch that. 3-1. I don't like ISAT. I chew my MP. It's alright. It's alright. It's all good.
All you have to do run me off of the app.
It's all good. May prepare and come back. Strong.
You sound like Rosalie.
See me there now.
Come back 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Cause you're not ready for this.
All right, what time? I have to go on dinner. What time? Put it inside.
Oh, dinner. Yeah, man, go on. But congratulations, man. Take that earlier when it run out. Yeah. All my life I've been beating him. That one time
tell him,
give basketball.
Send the likes. Hello. Family.
All right.
Send the likes.
Send the likes.
Let's see what y'all doing now.
Send the like. Where the likes? That's one of them thing there. Boy, we lose.
Yep.
It's all good. I like it though. If I reach our socks there. It's all good. All
right, yeah. Send your whole family.
It's all good.
Black like an old man.
I tried to talk me up. It's all right.
Man.
It's all right. It was fun.
Yeah, you can't push it out. Missy Banks was the witness, but she
watch that big lose there. That's crazy.
Look at him face. Him really vexed. Him losing. I saw him stay. From him small.
And beat me bad.
Bad poor.
Bad.
Rematch you. Go on your dinner.
All right, we'll link you up.
All right.
Chat. Big up.
I'm so proud of her.
All right.
Yeah.
Boy, I said kill me on this thing.
Him not like lose, yo. Him not like lose really though. Yo, Samantha, wanna see him face? May I tell you, him not like lose real. Yeah, may I tell you, true. Him stress out. Him go and say, yo, send me, tell your friend them, help me win. Yeah, but them not help him out. I'm sorry for them. I'm a sister I want to find right now, just bust her, beat her, bust her ass, make she just cry. And she go tell my mother. Yeah. It's the whole people TikTok version. Might tell you, say, yo, I'm gonna go to the graduation dinner, make the announcement, say I'm have to play me on TikTok and everybody but support him. And that's a go on, man, but we're ready for him, man. From tonight up by turn. All right. Big Friday night. But one thing about this subscription thing, nobody now cost me the app boring without the cursing. Suki in the building. It's Suki. Yeah, so for those of you who just 3 of 19 in my gallery, what's in my gallery? Let me check out the gallery. Yo, you guys not making me fill my gallery out, you know. What happened? What me do? You said really ice. What did I do? Oh, true, me said nobody not cost me. No, they're not cost me. I don't know. It's just, it's like, that's the thing about it. Me never know. Say it boring without it. I know now. You see, this is what you learn about, what them call it? Suppression of freedom of expression. No, they ain't tired. They just say they ain't got the funds to come cost me now. Hello? What go on? What me say? Yeah. Now you tell me to do it? Me notice you dodge everybody and send them to me. You dodge everybody and send them to me. I realize, because they were trying to figure it out, but I guess them clarified. They were more interested in the second one. I said they were trying to figure out what really happened, so people kept reading it, I guess. Me not understand either. Let me end my live and call you right back and talk to you. No, I'm done. True. People, good night. My attorney called me, so I gotta go. And then them no use TikTok. So little more. we have to think about how important it is for the